Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first alternate card using elements from the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And I have a sample for you because the first video didn't record. So I've got a card made and we're going to make another one on the video. So I have got a Coastal Cabana card base. And I have got a 5 1/4 by 4 piece cut out of one of the card bases. I used the large stamp from Nature Symphony in Night of Navy, and I stamped it first value and second value on the card front. And I used one of the envelopes to cut out, using the large die from Nature Symphony, the large leaves. Now, the first time I did this, I couldn't get the die out because the envelope paper is finer than, it's a different weight than cardstock. So I used a piece of wax paper. So I put my envelope down, I put my wax paper down, and then I put the die on. So the wax paper is between the die and the envelope, and it just fell out. You just saw me take it out and it was perfect. Okay, so let's do some stamping. I need Night of Navy. And we're going to ink this up. Okay, and I'm just going to stamp it down. Okay, and then I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to stamp it down again. It just gives me a little bit of depth to the colors. Okay, so we're going to put that off to the side. I have already stamped my Wishing You Happiness in Coastal Cabana this time. This time I stamped it in Night of Navy. And I thought I have the opportunity, because I'm making 2 cards, to use the different color ink on this one. And because I'm using the different color ink, I don't think I'm going to go around the edge. I went around the edge with the Coastal Cabana ink on this one. I don't think I'm going to do it on this one. But what I do need to do is I need to adhere this down. And so I'm just very carefully going to put some adhesive on the leaves. Now, I was struggling on what to do for alternates with this kit. Really honestly struggling because I like pink, purple, and floral. And most of you like pink, purple, and floral as well, because that's what gets the most views. So, like I say, I was really struggling with what I was going to do for this card. So I thought, well, why not take some of the elements that are in the kit and make flowers out of them? So this is my first kick at the can doing that. So Nature Symphony has got some gorgeous, gorgeous leaf stamps and dies. So I thought I would use that. This time I'll use other floral ones throughout the week. The Wishing You Happiness is actually from the kit. And I have used just one of my scraps of 1/2 inch basic white cardstock that gets left over when I cut my cardstock down to 5 1/4 by 4. And I love using these little skinny pieces for greetings. They're the perfect size, and then you just have to trim them off at an angle or use your triple banner punch and just trim up the ends. So there we go. So that's covered up the ends of the stems. And I am going to use my bling. And because I struggled with them coming away without the glue, I'm going to use just my piercing tool just to make sure I'm picking everything up. So I'm just going to add my bling around. So there we go. So there is our first alternate card using elements from the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Sparkling Celebrations, and adding in elements from the Nature Symphony. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for another alternate card every day this week.